So we need to package our application. Since we have concluded creating our application, let's package our application. So how will we do that? For us to package our application, so we can be able to distribute it or give it out to friends, upload it to Google Play Store, we need what we call key, I guess, yeah. Wait, to export, to package your application, go to File, Export. So here it's asking you for the option of exporting your application. So you click on Android, then export Android application, export it as an Android application. Then next, ask you for the project which you want to export. Browse, set your project which you just created, hello world application. Okay, then we'll click on this. Now this key store is very important and is always required when you try to export your application, because is a delicate part of your application that you use in verify your application whether it's a real application. It's like assigning a key or certificate to your application. So in case you are trying to, if you finish creating your application or you try to upload it to Google Play Store, you'll be required to assign your application with a key store. A key store is like a certificate to show that your application is genuine. Your application will expire so date, assign a certificate or expiring date for your application. So since if you don't have a key store, which I expect you not to have, you go to create new key store, then you click on the browse button in order to set the location where your key store file will be stored. Okay, now into our document library, you can decide to save into your document folder, or you create another folder for it. So now let me name my my key store. It's asking for a key store name. You can let your key store name to be whatever you want. Say, let me say key store from my own. Yeah, you can save. So I can see now it's going to save it on my document folder which I created for. Then next is asking for a unique password for your key store. You enter your password, unique password which you can always remember for your key store. Put the password. Then you confirm the password. Then you click next. So you're asking for your key store alias. You can name your key store alias whatever you want. You can say my key store, then create a password. It's preferable to use the existing password which you just created for the key store. So you can use the same password here, enter the same password here, you confirm it. Then next is asking for validity period, that your certificate validity period, which is required. It's like the year or maximum number of years your application is going to stay on the phone before it expires. 25 years is recommended. If you enter a minimum of 25 years, you get a warning. So let's just try to enter 20 years so you understand what I mean. So you can see, okay, asking you for your name. Let me say name of my website. I can use the name of my website as my name. Or you can see the one here, 25 years certificate validity is recommended. So you go for 25 years, then click next. Now this is the destination where your application will be exported, your APK file, where your application, hello world application or SMS application will be exported to. It is recommended that you export the APK file to the same directory where your key store file is located. So you browse the folder, this is the same folder, but it's just like no other document have been saved there before. So in the same folder, this is your file name, hello world. You save. Now it's giving you a general information about your application. It expires in 25 years. Click finish. It's now generating your exporting your application, your APK file, and also creating your key store. So now our application is now successfully exported and our key store is successfully created. So let me check on the folder in order to know if our application is successfully exported and our key store file created. Alright. So yeah, here is our two files. One is our APK file and the other is our key store file. So now you can easily share this your file with your friends, upload it to a website, give it out, whatever you want to do with your APK file. So this file you can install it to your mobile device just like this. You know, either send it to your mobile device that runs on Android operating system, then get it installed. Then this is your key store. You can always use it to create, or you always use it in the future to create or to export your application in order to start from beginning and creating a new key store file. So thank you so much for subscribing to my tutorial, and I hope that you learned so well. I'm very glad for you listening to my or watching my tutorial, and I pray that I'll always keep you informed and creating more tutorials for you to learn how to create Android applications. So keep subscribed and keep post your comments, more important your testimonies, and also ask your questions whenever you are confused. I'm here to help you. Thank you so much.